Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Sheila Subaldo. I'm 44 years old. I was born on June 17, 1981. I'm a married woman, has 2 children. My eldest son is 25 years old and my youngest son is 20 years old. My height is 158 centimeter while my weight is 54.6 kilogram. I worked before at Saudi Arabia in the house of Mr. and Mrs. Yusuf Yagub Al-Suhel in more than 15 years. I started to work with them on March 14, year 2010 until October 11, year 2025. I served 11 members in the family, 2 adults and their 9 children. My duties are cleaning, washing their clothes, ironing, cooking, and taking care of their children. To my future employer, please hire me as your household workers because I'm loyal, honest, kind, taking care of your children properly, and I'm a hardworking woman. Have a good day. Thank you.